Welcome to this new video. The hook size is 3 mm. This amazing crochet stitch start making with slip stick and start making chains. Here is no fixed numbers of chains. You can make chains according to your size requirement. In this video, I am making an easy, elegant, beautiful, and super fast crochet stitch with yellow 4-ply yarn. After making this with foundation chain, start the first row with single crochet and continue till the last chain. After making the first row with single crochet, for second row, make 4 chains, for the treble double crochet. 3 times yarn over the hook, and then make the treble double crochet with a next chain. 2 loops, plus 2, plus 2, plus 1. Then makes the 8 loop crochet. As you can see here. After taking 8 loops, lock them with 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then continue the treble crochet stitch with next chain. And start making the stitch with repeating. This lace stitch eats up very little yarn. Here I am making easy and beginner-friendly tutorial, so I can guide you step by step. This online lesson is perfect for new learner. I am making the third row with single crochet, as you can see in this video. And again, fourth row is the repeat of second row. This simple crochet knitting pattern is based on 2 rows. You will repeat 2 rows and eye-catching pattern will be ready. Same stitch of second row, continue. As you can see in this video. This simple and lightweight stitch is best for cardigan, vest, bag, shawl, scarf, bed cover, sofa cover, table runner, baby blanket, baby dresses. This video tutorial crochet stitch is perfect for beginners. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.